Salutations, World Wide Web. What's going on? It's me, Marlon O Bennett. I affectionately refer to myself as the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, welcome to my work from home, online, get paid YouTube video channel and or my work from home, online, get paid newsletter. Guys, today I want to talk about how I generated over 250 leads in less than 7 days, right? And they continue to come in, by the way. Over 125 new referrals in just one of my automated marketing funnels, and how you guys can get in on the excitement, fun, and profit of actually building a mega list and getting paid while you do it. So watch this, guys. I want to show you something real quick, and I want you guys to pay special attention to this. These are today is Tuesday, November 5th, guys. You can see down here, and it is 8:29 p.m. This lead just actually came in, and as you can see, guys, the lead, well, one just came in as I'm doing the video, guys, and that's why I'm telling you guys this thing is really off the chain. So the leads are continuing to come in, guys, and I'm on page one of my, well, actually, I'm in my main inbox right now, and you can see, guys, where these leads are pouring in, right? And what's happening is, let me go to another screen real quick. What's happening is, guys, these leads, I'm on page one of the leads that just came in. You know, today this is one of 20. I'm going to go over to, let's see, we're going to 21 of 40 now. And you can see, guys, the leads are still coming in. And now from 21 to 40, we're going to go over to 41 to 60. Some of these leads, guys, I haven't even opened them up yet, guys. They just continue to trickle in. That's 41 to 60. And now we're going to go to 61 to 80. And as you can see, guys, the list goes on and on and on. Now, what's exciting about this, guys, is I'm actually able to bring new people into different automated marketing systems and sales funnels. And this is how I'm able to create massive passive residual income. And this is how I'm able to work from home online and get paid. And it's really, really a simple process. And one day, guys, I was able to refer over 80 people, as you can see right here, into one of my new systems. If I go back to this page, guys, I'm constantly running new people into this particular funnel. And so what I want you guys to understand in this video, guys, and what you're going to be able to see when you click the banner just below this video, is an awesome system that's going to actually enable you not only start building a mega list, guys, a list that grows exponentially and virally, but you're also going to find that there are multiple income streams rolled into this dynamic income generating funnel as well. Sit back, relax, guys, click the banner just below this video, and let's run you guys over there and let me show you guys how you can get started. I'll see you guys on the inside.